In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. Okay, now this is an easy tutorial, guys. All you have to do, you want to go to your Shopify. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on taxes and here and dots. Okay, I want to scroll down. Okay, as you can see, you want to click on taxes and dots, scroll down, and then you want to toggle this off. That says here include tax in prices. You want to toggle this off, and then you want to click save. Now to remove shipping calculated at checkout, you want to do these simple steps. You want to just click on online store, and after you click, guys, on online store, you want to click on actions or three little dots that you have here, and then you want to click on edit languages or edit default theme content. Like if you see here edit default theme content, click on it, and after that, guys, you need to do this. You want to just search for calculated. You want to search for shipping calculated. Okay, now after you search, guys, for shipping calculated, this is the message that your buyers see when they are on the homepage of your product. Okay, now you want to remove this and click, for example, free shipping worldwide. Okay, and you could just copy this and paste it here again, and you want to click on save in the top right. And after that, guys, you want to just search for, just go with calculated. Yeah, you want to search for calculated alone. Okay, and you want to scroll down, and here you want to paste that exact that exact text, like worldwide free shipping. And here do the same thing again, here the same thing, and after that you want to click on save, and that's it. Now you have successfully removed shipping calculated at checkout. Okay, if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If this video helped you, please drop a like.